I don't know about you, but I love nesting video, and I've always wanted a way to nest audio. Turns out there is a way. It's kind of a workaround, but it's actually pretty easy. Now, before we start, make sure you back up your sequence because you don't want to mess anything up. So just create a new sequence for your day, and for me, I'm just going to create a new sequence that I'm going to call test sequence. So I'm just going to duplicate and call it test. Open that up, make sure I exit out the other one. And here we go. So all you have to do, and here's the trick, you actually nest it like you normally do video, but you make sure you highlighted the audio with it. And in the end, we're actually going to drag in the sequence that the nest creates, and that's going to be the nested audio. So I'm just going to show you what all that looks like. So the first thing you need to do is add an adjustment layer. So left click on new item, and if you can't see it in your project window, then sometimes it's hidden. Sometimes it's, your project window might be really tiny, but you want to stretch it out, and you just want to make sure you find the paper with a little folded part to it at the end. So you just left click on that, and then left click on adjustment layer. This matches my sequence settings, so I'm okay. So I'm going to press OK. And then I'm just going to left click and drag in the adjustment layer. And now I want to stretch it out so the adjustment layer is actually the same length as the audio. That's extremely important. So just make sure you're zoomed on in and everything looks good, which it does. One thing I've also done is I've also locked off the video track because I don't want to affect that. I just want to affect the audio. You can actually see I already have an original audio nest in here, but I'll nest the nest. This is just a test anyway. So what you want to do is you want to highlight all the audio. So left click and drag and highlight all the audio, and then hold down your shift key and left click on the adjustment layer. Now right click and find the word nest and just left click on that. And there it is. I'm going to call this nested audio. And press return, and you can see over here on the left hand side that a sequence is created. Now here's the thing, and this is why you back up your sequence. Left click on the nested audio video track that the adjustment layer has been affected to, and delete that, and now get rid of all of your audio in your sequence. So I highlighted it all, I press delete. And now, this is the trick. Again, make sure your video track that you don't want to affect is locked. Left click and drag the sequence nested audio into your sequence. And now I'm going to just left click and drag that into video track 1. And now I'm just going to delete the upper layer, the nested adjustment layer, because I don't need it. And that's it. You've got nested audio. You can left double click and you can see that it's all in there and it's all fantastic. So this really helps if you've got, say, you want to keep an original audio from a project and you've just gotten the stems from the mixer and you're like, okay, I know the stems are going to be better, but I want to keep the original audio in case of anything. And so you just bring in the nested audio track and just mute the track. And that's how you nest audio. Make sure you like and subscribe for more.